Right, this one's a little bit more difficult, I have to say. The rubbers come off these. That's what they're now. In the end here, there's a little kind of push switch. That's first of all how you change the battery. So the battery comes out like so. It's a 2032 and it goes in with the top surface up, the plus at the bottom, and you can see there hopefully it will only go in one way. So the plus at the bottom, and that slides back in like so. That's just to change the battery. We'll take that out. Now then, the other side here, it's the same thing. First of all, gosh, what a mess. So, press the end in, slide that out like so. Let's take that off first. The key should actually flip out, but this one's got so much glue on. We need to split them apart. I'm going to use a screwdriver for this, but be very, very careful. Only use a turning motion, don't press in. So, like so. This, as I say, this one has been stuck together, so I'm fighting a losing battle here. There we go. Just prise it open. Be very, very careful. Whenever you're doing this this job, there's a little spring in here, and I can guarantee it will fly off somewhere where you won't be able to find it. The kit, that's just in there. So make sure you put your thumb over that bit and take these other bits off. Then, again, this, unfortunately, whoever or whichever animal's been at this has glued that bit as well. So that's kind of a little trigger. So then we need to get this out, hopefully. Don't force it and don't pull on that like I've just done. So we'll get all that away. Oh, sorry, you've got two more bits that you mustn't forget. That's that, and then there should be, oh, that's dropped out anyway. That's dropped out there. So we'll get the old parts away. Then a new one here from Land Rover, again not very expensive, you can get them on eBay. That part is LR052882. And here are the bits. It is fiddly. And as I say, it doesn't help when you've got hands like a bunch of bananas. So that's what we're looking at. That bit goes in there, slides in like so. Then you've got this little trigger bit here. So at the top you can see where that's meant to go, so that slides in. So that's in there. Next tricky bit. The key facing down over those two little mounts, and then just keep some pressure on it, but you have to slide it back. You see there, that bit we put in earlier, That's there to hold it into a certain position. Now, the little spring, put the little spring on that post there, and that locates into that hole, and make sure you got it the right way around. So that's the right way around. There's a little catch at the top. We put that over there, slot it in over the top, and then close that in with the key. So that holds that in place. This side, over the top there, and close that. That clips into that little clip that we put in earlier. So then you've got the key kind of mostly assembled, and nothing's going to flick out. Into here you can see there the shape of the PC board. Slot it in, locate that over the pins, then on the top clip together. You've still got to get the battery in, so we clip that in. It isn't easy, as I say. In fact, I'm going to do it with a screwdriver, but watch it, because it's easy to slip, and I don't want you suing me. So there you go, battery on, little bit there, slides in. That's it done. It's not easy. Make sure you've got a clean surface, a couple of tools, little pincers. You may need something just to snip the post, but be very, very careful. You don't want to damage the PC board. That's it. I hope that helps you.